Yeah.
We are also doing live after a long time. Long time means like after 1 or 2 weeks, right?
Together तो हमारा long time है. I mean, otherwise the Karan was doing one every day.
No,
Wait, Karan is in demand.
no,
Yeah.
not at all. That's a scam.
No, he's doing live with the producers.
Acha.
See, within our team, we know if any one of us can be Harshit Mehta, that will be Karan Vyas.
Oh my
Acha.
God.
So Gemini Pathak is actually so good in that. That's the whole thing.
Absolutely,
Okay?
absolutely.
And the scene you're talking about, Sajib, scene you're talking about, that is actually when me and Sumit were writing. I told Sumit ki yaar, ye na wo Chinatown mein wo scene hai that whether he's your father or he's your lover, and when she says he's both my father and the lover, I said, ये opportunity है scene को ऐसे बनाने का. So we wrote it like that. And see, we wrote it like that. BR है, SGL है, नहीं है. Then Karan added that little bit कि मुंह में क्या ठूस के बैठा हो वो. ठीक से बोलो. That makes it so much magical.
Hello, and welcome to the third episode of our podcast. You might have already seen the thumbnail and you might have seen who's coming to our podcast today. But after several discussions, several back and forth, they're finally here. And Manthan, would you like to introduce them?
Yeah, Sajib. See, ever since its release, this show, Scam 1992, the Harshad Mehta story, this has become synonymous with words like outstanding, brilliant, out of the world, scintillating. So yes, we are so elated and so happy to have actually the spine of the show, the writers of the show with us. So we have Mr. Saurav Dey, Mr. Sumit Purohit, and Mr. Karan Vyas with us today on our podcast. So
You guys are welcome to switch on your cameras now.
Absolutely.
Great.
So welcome. Thank you so much.
Unfortunately, Vaibhav couldn't make it today.
Yes.
But then we are very elated.
Never mind. We have the three of the four musketeers with us.
Vaibhav have been too busy actually. After Risk Hai To Ishq Hai, he's been flooded. So he has no time. He's only busy in meetings right now. Even Karan is very busy, but he could somehow find time. So that's a different thing.
No, thank you so much. On a serious note, we really are very excited to have you all with us.
Saurav, I'm sending you pages. I'm sure I'm sending you pages.
Sure.
We know that it's a cliched question. You must be receiving this question, but how is it like? What's the feel like? Has it sunk in?
Because the success is like immense. It's huge.
Huge.
Everyone is talking about Scam. Everyone is talking about the writing, especially dialogues.
We are partying a
The
lot.
question essentially is कैसा लग रहा है ना वही बात है ना.
ये अच्छा लगा. Partying a lot. ये बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे.
Like this is the way Indian news happens. ना, that someone dies and says कैसा लग रहा है आपको? How are you feeling right now? No, I know because I tell you what, we had a meeting at Hansel's place. I mean, a get together a couple of weeks back, and I asked Pratik the same thing. कि कैसा लग रहा है? And see, generally, I think we are all dazed and confused, and but it's obviously on the good side, and it's great to feel like this. I mean, so abhi to I think eventually at the beginning there was a bit of surprise because we didn't expect audiences to take to it like this, but I think now we've gotten used to it. So I think also personally, mentally, we've all moved on because right now when we sit and discuss, we discuss what we are doing right now. So I think
yeah,
and how we are struggling in our next projects. That's the whole thing.
Right. That's very important, I guess, for especially for writers to get on to the next project to be solely concentrated on that particular thing.
Actually, we were already working on different projects. This came as a vacation. Social media.
Definitely come to that. हम लोगों को चूल मच रही है कि और क्या कर रहे हो आप लोग मतलब इतना अच्छा.
I don't think आपको क्यों बताएगा हमारा सब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है कि you can't say a word till it all comes out.
जो भी पॉसिबल है.
Right.
कुछ नहीं बोल सकते.
किसी का कुछ अनाउंस नहीं हुआ है. सब काम चल रहा है. I don't think anyone's going to open their mouth.
At least we have something coming out of your bags in future.
Right. Yeah. 2021 में क्या आएगा मुझे पता नहीं because I think we'll all be shooting in that year. So 2022 only. Unless Karan has done a lot of projects without telling us, and so शायद उसके एक के बाद
शायद मेरा एक प्रोजेक्ट शायद 22 में आएगा एक.
हाँ देखो.
Okay.
अगर
No, it's also because of lockdown, the things have slowed down. A lot of 2020 things have moved.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
No, but वो भी मुश्किल है. वो एक्चुअली हम लोगों का 0 year 21 होने वाला है. कुछ नहीं आएगा. Credit 0.
नहीं. Hopefully, God willing, you will get great projects. I mean,
नहीं, it's actually good because एक साल तक तो बेइज्जती नहीं होने वाली, उसके बाद देखेंगे. Because right
सौरभ अगर इस टाइप की बेइज्जती है तो मतलब एवर रेडी होऊंगा ऐसी बेइज्जती सहन करने के लिए.
अब तो देखते हैं क्या होता है. I mean, अभी तो people are already start saying यार स्कैम जैसा कर दो, स्कैम जैसा फील नहीं आ रहा है. स्कैम में क्या इतना न्यूआंस से यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं हो रहा है.
बढ़ गए ना. हाँ या
हाँ तो अभी तो.
But you were also part of Inside Edge, and which also did very well.
Yeah, देखो Inside Edge का अलग चीज था ना. Inside Edge का obviously again was similar because we didn't expect it to be so popular. But we consciously knew we worked in a populist zone also, and also Inside Edge is India's first big OTT show if you look at it.
Right.
So I think from me and Sumit we had that thrill that what all we thought will work has worked out. So, but we again with scam again we didn't know. So again for the next price we'll not know. So but we still had, and Sumit edited this also, and Sumit was constantly discussing yesterday only. Sumit was like episode 1 नहीं काम कर रहा है, 2 नहीं काम कर रहा है. He was like that throughout.
नहीं, exactly.
So, I mean, it's going to be a constant journey.
Right.
Inside Edge, the surprise was the Emmy nomination. I think Saurabh told me, it has been nominated for Emmy. Right? He was messaging me. I said, what Emmy is it?
नहीं, ulta था. Sumit, you forgotten. Sumit sent me. We were shooting in Georgia for Inside Edge 2. I was we just finished the day's shoot and we were sitting in the bus. And Sumit sent me a text saying, is this true?
Somebody sent me and I thought it's some random award. I don't know which Emmy is. Like there's a fake Dada Shah Phalke awards, no? It must be something like that. So then I realized, the Black Mirror has won it, and a couple of our favorite shows has won it. So this is serious. Like they have been actually nominated for Emmy. Yeah.
So then I researched it and I said, ye sahi baat hai. So I announced in the bus also. It was a great moment. But yeah, I mean.
For Karan also, I mean, Karan, when you were working with this fantastic film, Wrong Side Raju, and it had also got a national award, I guess.
Yeah.
So you, and in fact, आपका Made in China भी. So
very few people ask me questions about Made in China.
हाँ मतलब but the point is that आप with you Karan with Wrong Side Raju and you both Sumit and Saurabh with Inside Edge getting the nomination, you have kind of tasted that particular level of success. So yeah, I mean back of the mind आपको वो भी हुआ था क्या, मतलब जब ये आया scam आया कि because the scale is so grand and the team is fantastic. I mean, you guys and obviously the director Mr. Mehta, the magician, and the cast, the brilliant cast. So आप लोगों के दिमाग में एक बार तो आया होगा कि this might be a big one.
No, see, we knew we had covered our bases. We knew we have done a decent job. And there's a moment which happened also in 2018 where scam was almost kind of not shelved but got stopped.
Okay.
And there was a discussion between me, Sumit, and Hansal. Then Karan hadn't come in for the dialogues. When Hansal said, and we've done 4 episodes. And then Hansal said, "Yaar, itna acha likhne ke baad agar ye na ban paya, so that will actually be a sad thing." So then, I mean, we didn't say anything. Me and Sumit, baad mein we discussed, acha, agar Hansal thinks it's really well gone somewhere because हमें तो पता नहीं है because we are तो just sitting and fighting over it.
Right.
So we don't really know, but he has a more objective take. So yeah, we were hopeful. I mean, it's on the good side for sure.
Right.
But this whole populist thing, most talked about, most popular, second most Googled, ये सब तो we never expected. कि Big Boss हमने लोगों ने scam Google कर लिया.
That was the best part of the show is that because it was very easy to understand for a layman. Like for us, I don't understand anything about share market, Nifty, Sensex, nothing. But then it was written in such a way that it had the perfect balance of technical and human kind of.
It was a perfect mix, perfect amalgamation.
So that is where actually Sumit and Karan and Weber played a huge part because they don't understand stocks that well.
You
So
do?
they actually could find the right balance to
Yeah, sorry.
make it simpler.
Okay, okay.
So I was
And eventually
I was
हलचल से अगर
going
मुझे
to
समझ
ask
में आ
you-
जाएगा ऑडियंस को समझ में आ जाएगा. So I mean that is how it works.
So that's what I was going to ask you. Like in real life, also, how are you like with your investments, stock? Do you have a good idea of what the market is like, and like in person, like how do you?
I
Only
don't think
Saurabh
so.
has. I have a
Except
zero
Saurabh,
knowledge and
nobody invests.
तो ये ऐसा था कि
I still do not understand share markets. So
Yeah,
when
same,
people come
same.
and tell me, "Oh, we have seen scam, we have understood it," I said, "Okay, nice," because I haven't. So,
Right.
नहीं सो ये 2014-15 तक वक्त आई वाज टेलिंग सुमित अरे यार बहुत पैसा स्टॉक मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट कर लो एंड सुमित वाज लाइक हाँ करूंगा ऑब्वियसली आई न्यू ही वुडंट बट दैट वाज हिज वे ऑफ सेइंग आई वुडंट डू इट बट
no, as a writer, you also need money to invest. No?
no but after, I think just before scam I stopped investing because I lost a huge amount of money in 1 year because of one wrong trade. So then I said, at least all the money I've lost through the stock market, I have to get it back through scam. That was my only aim.
Right. So I guess it started off 2 years ago, if I'm not wrong.
Exactly started 3 years back in December 2017.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
The
When
anniversary
Ansel called
is
and
ये
said he
वाला
wants to
month.
do this show, and this is the book. I think formally we started writing in January 2018.
Do you like writing more of like biographies of like people or like other fictional stuff? Like what is easier for you? Like is it like do you have any?
I mean, there's nothing easier or difficult.
Easy to कुछ नहीं.
So yeah, I always say it's about the experience of writing it. You have to enjoy the experience. You cannot decide whether it's going to be difficult or easy right in
यहाँ
the
पे
beginning.
peace.
The story has to excite you. So even though we had a book, like people keep saying, "Oh, was it difficult?" It was not difficult, but the experience was. It was a difficult book to adapt.
Exactly.
It's a non-linear, non-fiction book, very technical. It doesn't have a very linear narrative to it. It has multiple characters, multiple politicians, multiple scams within that scam.
And those were so factual. मतलब आप लोगों ने इतना carefully you have kept that in mind.
तो वही इसीलिए I was asking because इस पूरे series में the character development that was there of each and every character was amazing. So that was I was asking like while writing like what was the process like and how much research did you guys put through and in fact for the dialogues because to get a like the dialogues every dialogue that Harshad Mehta gave was based around the fact that you have to work hard and you have to take risks in your life, right? Sub dialogue उसी line में थे. So you have to study the personality of that person. Then you have to kind of base your facts on the books that Sucheta Dalal wrote, and also like what was the research like?
I'll tell you about the dialogues. So the dialogues, Sumit and Saurabh already had, a placeholder dialogues were there, which made sure that the tone is right. Now what I had to do is give so what I'm trying to say is that the voice of the entire show was already there when I got on a board. What I had to do is give a character to that voice.
Brilliant.
So each and every character, should stand out. They should not sound similar, even though they are talking in almost similar lines. They're talking about similar subjects. And they should come across different people. Right. So for that I had I had a very simple process. I had my notebook and I used to write down a character and I used to write down like 5 things. One thing is this is like a lingo. He likes Amitabh Bachchan. He likes this. Or he is like little over the top. So all these notes would be there for major characters like Harshad, Sucheta, Ashwin, Bhushan, Pranav, and Debashish. All the 6 characters. I had my notebook open every single day I wrote, and had those bullet points written. So each and every line should have some sort of reflection of that particular character.
Great, great.
Like for example, Bhushan says this word like sometime bhaila a lot,
Baila, हाँ.
right? Then Harshad has this fabulous word called lala, is like very good use. So though Pratik has taken a liberty to use it whenever he wants it sometimes, which works because that's
Right, spontaneous.
yeah, but it was also mentioned like at least 50% of the time when he has said it was mentioned in this script.
Right.
Third was like the this guy Stone, his brother's Ashwin Stone. He's always cautious, cautionary. So there are multiple lines which would start with Dick.
Exactly.
So it's like he's just trying to warn and caution him. So there are a lot of little things like that where they're just to bifurcate, because even I need to bifurcate in my head that how they are talking and speaking.
True.
Like Pranav Seth is very flamboyant, and he is speaking like all the audacious line you
Right.
and he is all like his flamboyance is there in his lines. And to be very honest, Saurav and Sumit had done so much of a research, that even while I read, draft, I could get like complete sense of their character arcs and their character journey, and what they're going through and what they're not going through, and even the subtext was there between the lines. I think that the great writing is which is not written, but you have to understand between the lines. So it was so well defined in there that made my job so easy.
Right.
In a way that I just had to concentrate on getting out flavors from each and every character. Give those lines that which can be profound and sometimes can also be play out loud. Like on the face like a Masi line. So yeah, that was my job.
See, also to add, Karan brought a lot of references which were of that time just to make it sound conversational and to make it sound fun. And then all these Hindi film songs which Devashi at times, he comes up with
Fantastic.
all this Pehrana and all these little song elements which have made all these scenes so much more fun from what we had.
Right.
So also like the KBC thing which Karan brought in later on, that KBC. Karan at times makes us little changes in the scene also from a dialogue point of view, but that enhances the entire and changes the mood of the scene also in a very correct way.
True.
Like for example, we had that they are sitting and discussing, but Karan brought in the KBC thing, and then we said, "Oh my God, there's so much more we can do with the scene now." So I think
Exactly.
he got very correctly the tone of what we were writing, and then the enhancements, like darling thing is something which we spoke to one stock market person, and we saw he keeps saying darling. So that we had in the previous draft, and Lala is well known because Harshad used to say Lala himself. But all these little nuances which Karan brought in really made a lot of difference, and also when Weber when he worked in his own draft. So I think we got lucky because we blended with each other very well. Because on the first day, there's always a risk when a dialogue writer is rewriting your dialogues you've written, because first thing hota hai ki you are a little positive about what you've written.
That's what I was coming to.
Comes to rewrite what you've written. So लगता है tone ना change हो जाए, theme ना change है, but I think the way Weber and Karan did it absolutely seamlessly, we were like, oh my God, they are actually improving our material to such a huge extent.
Because your writing team, I mean, it included 4 people, and it was so important, I guess, to the wavelength to match. And luckily, I guess, I mean, it just clicked, I guess.
But we never did a direct writing room thing, because Karan writes on his own, Weber writes on his own. So they essentially rewrite and they come back and they say, this is what you've done, now hear it out.
Right.
So, but I think they just got the pitch of the characters so correctly. Most of the time, we said, "हाँ, ये तो बहुत अच्छा है."
It's like what I think worked, and in most of the shows, sometimes what happens is in this. But I give you a different example how. So the way the scam was built, it was almost like a constructing a building. You Saurav, Sumit, and everyone, did the foundation and the plaster and everything, and me and Vaibhav actually came out and painted the house, give the flavor, and did the interior and all. So it was a step by step work, like when the structural engineer goes, his job is done, he has made a really good structure. Now what me and Vaibhav had to do is make that structure look beautiful. With this scam, I think what worked was this process of making draft after draft. I think Saurav and Sumit gave like at least 4-5 drafts. Then Vaibhav came in, he gave out like a 1 or 2 draft. Then I gave 2-3 drafts. So when you have like a collaborative effort, like building
Right,
after building
exactly,
after building,
exactly.
floor after floor after floor, the
Organized,
started
not
flowing.
organized. It was very organized.
Yeah. So I think that was the difference, and I think
Also, it's all organized, but it's open to, like, I think open to experimenting, and it's not like it's the kind of story scam is you cannot write the screenplay without the dialogue, and you cannot write
Right,
dialogues without changing
right.
a little bit of the screenplay.
Right,
yeah.
It was never rigid. It was never a very rigid process.
right.
You cannot write a dialogue say like there's a dialogue where वो say कि तेरा कचुमड़ बना देगा, the brother is saying, but the moment before that somebody orders कचुमड़, ये कचुमड़ ला. Now that's a screenplay change because you want to write that dialogue. So I think it's not like these are two very different things, and unless then what happens is it sounds like a dialogue then.
True.
It's not part
वो
of the
natural नहीं लगता
screenplay.
तब.
Yeah, it doesn't look natural. So I think it was very systematic, but it was also very organic. An actress will come and change
True,
a little bit. Like a lot of people think that Rajat's character have improvised dialogue. He hasn't. Though he made it look like it's improvised, it's so organic.
Absolutely.
But those dialogues have been written.
So one of the USPs of the show, की यही था कि when you are watching the show, it does not look like a show. It does not look like a made up show. It was like, अच्छा ठीक है, हम लोग you were able to put the people, or you were able to transport the public to that particular era.
Yeah.
So
But
that was
that
the
is
beauty of the show.
actually a huge amount of teamwork between casting and production design and direction and actors being so
everything.
natural.
Yeah.
Even when we were on set, it looked very real and organic. So I kept telling people कि सब बोलेंगे real है, organic है. Probably it's a well-told story, but अभी कितना मजा आएगा, I'm still not sure. So, but we knew that it's going to look real and organic as opposed to something which looks made up.
Right.
And that is a lot of direction and casting and all these things put together. I mean, with the same screenplay and same dialogues, with another interpretation, this could have looked completely over the top and fake also. So, all full marks to Hansal and Jay actually for this.
Right.
Also right in the beginning, we were clear that this is not the story of the scam. It's also the story of the time period. So there were whether in the dialogue or the screenplay, we were always trying to put these elements,
right,
which are about that time period, which reflect that time period,
right.
The world around, and that also makes it real. When you see, somebody is referring to '83 World Cup, or somebody singing some song.
Those references were so beautiful.
I mean, I particularly liked few scenes those were written. Like it had a underlining humor in the scene, like in episode 5th or 6th, I guess, when that Sitaraman was confronted of that he has given money to without a BR, and he's asked by the manager that like, what's the problem? What is it? Then he says, "Sir, BR." I mean, he says BR, then the other guy asks, "Okay, now you have the BR, you go collect it."
Yeah.
Then he says, "BR nahi hai." Like he could have just said ki Harshad Mehta took without BR. He said BR, and it was written in such a way that I was laughing my ass off, and I'm like, why don't you tell him already?
I mean, Sitaraman, in fact, I mean, for example, Sitaraman, I mean, this character, comparatively, he had less screen presence or screen time, to be precise.
I think he hardly has like 5 scenes.
But the impact he made, fantastic. I mean, out of the
because Gemini Pathak is actually so good in that. That's the whole thing. Okay?
Absolutely.
And the scene you're talking about, Sajib, scene you're talking about, that is actually when me and Sumit were writing. I told Sumit ki yaar, ye na wo Chinatown mein wo scene hai that whether he's your father or he's your lover, and when she says he's both my father and the lover, I said, ye opportunity is scene ko aise banane ka. So we wrote it like that. And see, we wrote it like that. BR hai, SGL hai, nahi hai. Then Karan added that little bit कि मुंह में क्या घुस के बैठा हो वो ठीक से बोलो. That makes it so much magical. And then when Rajesh just did it, he had that incredible expression on his face. Kabhi 10 minute pehle hua hi nahi. So it's all step by step teamwork which made that scene so interesting. But we had that reference for the Chinatown scene because I always want to write a scene like that. And I remember how I got affected when I saw that scene in Chinatown. So I think we took inspiration from that and tried to build it in this way here. Opportunity mil gaya yahan pe.
And we are talking about the humorous undertone, but that part, I mean, when Mr. Rajesh Jais is confronted by Mr. Rajat Kapoor, जब उनका वो इंटरोगेशन चलता है बाहर, जब वो मिस्टर खेमानी बोलते हैं कि सर थोड़ा अंदर थोड़ा, बोले क्या हुआ सर, स्टाफ देख रहे हैं तो आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल हियर, एंड इट वाज मतलब मेरे को तो इट वाज टचिंग फॉर मी.
होता है वैसे एक्चुअली.
इट वाज सो नेचुरल कि मतलब मेरे को एम्बैरेसमेंट फील हो रहा है, आई एम सो सीनियर.
No, also because the SBI guys were not at the fault. If you see, he was the first person to suggest that let's do FIR. So you have to feel bad for him.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
You have to.
Again, Rajesh Jais is so good in that. That's the whole thing. I mean,
very good in that.
He's such a terrific actor.
Brilliant.
No, obviously he was extremely good, and also Sitaraman. But वो scene का ना मुझे कुछ अलग, मतलब it had an impact. I was laughing.
अलग level पे था वो.
No, so I will tell you also that might be also because at one time that was the cold open of the series.
अच्छा.
So we were trying to tell the whole story non-linearly.
Might be.
And so that has to be a very impactful scene because when he says Harshad Mehta, first time the credits starts. So at one point that was your opening sequence. The whole search for him, and you do not know who they are searching for. You are saying, "Arey, to Harshad Mehta ka story hai. Who are these people searching for? What has happened?" So I think it was always written like it has to be a very impactful scene because this is going to be.
I'll tell you, it was fantastic cold open. I think the first draft I received it had that.
It has that as a cold open. When Kamath is on the boat and they're going to the temple, and there's this local SBI guy, he doesn't know what it's like. This guy is tense.
Right. Right.
That 500 crore is missing. He's trying to tell him the story of the temple, and then it's almost similar to Patal Lok. He goes in the end and tells him, "कि sir वो स्वर्ग का द्वार जब."
Right.
It's like this guy is tense and he's trying to tell him this Karthik and Ganesh ka story, where we said, Karthik almost, I think Ganesh almost scammed Karthik.
Yeah, essentially that was the idea. Ganesh scammed and Karthik took his peacock and went all around the world twice. And so after Karthik did it, he got very upset with the justice. So he spent all his time in that temple. So he stayed back in Palni, because of which the temple was built. That's the backstory of the temple. So when we found that out, we thought it's an amazing opportunity to tell that story and actually create a lot of fun with it. But eventually it got cut because it was getting too long.
It was quite funny because this guy is tense. He needs 500 crore. And that boat is moving slowly. So he says, we have a lot of time. Let me tell you this story. So you want to tell him the story of it's also like in India, what happened, all these government servants, they are like some senior has come out to impress him.
Exactly.
So that seemed like we couldn't use it.
He was trying to become his guide, not knowing that.
Yeah, exactly.
वैसा होता है, especially in banks and all. Like in government offices, the junior level staff always tries to impress with
and he come from Bombay.
हाँ, मतलब बॉम्बे से आया है, कुछ जोक सुना देते हैं, ऐसा टाइप का स्टोरी सुना देते हैं.
It happens. नहीं, I mean there are numerous scenes. एक scene वो भूषण outburst towards the end.
Yeah, that's one of the best.
That was, I mean, that gave me goosebumps. That Bhushan outburst. I mean, wow. वो पूरे 9 episodes तक वो चुप रहे, and the 10th, I think 9th or 10th episode, he just puked it out. He just puked it out.
But see, again, that was planned like that in the screenplay level. Then again, we wrote it one draft. Then again, Karan wrote the dialogues. He took it to the next level. But finally, what Chirag Vohra did and the way he did it and the control he had, because a scene like this can always go wrong. You know, when two are screaming at each other, it can go melodramatic, it can go wrong, and it can go wrong in various ways.
Also, like I was saying, people keep saying कि हमें सब समझ में आ गया share market का. Honestly, it's very simplistic explanation. It's not like you have understood anything. It's because those actors are saying it in a way. So sometimes what happens with the technical dialogue is that if the actor doesn't believe in it,
हाँ,
It will sound like we are preaching, we are trying to tell you
Right.
it's a tuition class.
और वो मिस
No,
हो
but-
जाता है.
Yeah, it comes from the performance also. The way
ऐसा नहीं कि आप
Anand
ये
Madhavan is doing it, and
Right.
way Harshad and Ashwin are doing it.
Right.
You believe in those guys. So what is
Right.
important that even if you do not get it, it's okay. You know these characters, whatever they are talking. I know they know what they are talking. They
बिल्कुल.
understand their share market, their money market.
बिल्कुल.
So sometimes you go with the emotion, and therefore you feel कि ऐसा
Absolutely.
मुझे भी समझ में आ रहा है. I don't think anybody has understood what exactly money market
I
is.
think whatever
Some-
explanation was required to move forward the narrative,
Yeah, that
it's,
was
it's there and it's explained nicely. Otherwise, we cannot claim that we have explained the whole share market.
नहीं, I mean, obviously, and एक initial episodes में they just explained it कि bulls and bears, what are bulls and bears?
yeah.
तो वो बोलते हैं ना कि bears पंजा मारता है ऊपर
हाँ.
से नीचे और bulls they throw you up in the air, so नीचे से ऊपर. उसी में ही कैच हो गया कि what is bulls and
Yeah,
bears.
but see again, see what happens is that if we would have left it right there, it would have like अच्छा ये तो audience को समझाने के लिए किया है.
बिल्कुल.
Then there is one more dialogue where Bhushan says कि ये Wall Street नहीं है अमेरिका का.
बिल्कुल.
Wall Street. So it becomes a conversation. हाँ
बिल्कुल.
कहीं ऊपर मारे नीचे मारे जब आदमी गिरेगा तो नीचे ही गिरेगा.
बिल्कुल.
Idea is like those are the parts where we are thinking कि अच्छा ये थोड़ा whether we're trying to use metaphor फिर भी ये थोड़ा तो उस zone में जा रहा है जहाँ पर explanation है. So then you have to balance it. You have to make it look like a conversation.
बिल्कुल.
अच्छा बहुत अंग्रेजी किताबें
Like,
पढ़ता है.
yeah,
बहुत-
your
Absolutely.
exposition has to be invisible in your dialogues, otherwise.
Absolutely.
just trying to say that it was written in a way that हमें scam show देख के समझ आया. ऐसा मैंने
Yeah.
I am not saying that I have understood
Yeah.
the share market,
हाँ.
but I
You have understood.
the show.
You are with the characters. You have understood what is
Yeah,
happening.
understood the show and the concept and the and
Right.
ऐसा नहीं scam देख के मैं अभी अपना पैसा कहीं invest कर दूँ. वैसा भी
नहीं
नहीं
ऐसा हाँ
है.
बिल्कुल हाँ.
Like for movies like Big Short,
हाँ.
वहाँ मतलब आपको movie ही नहीं समझ आया मुझे क्या हो रहा है.
Right.
मतलब वो ज्यादा ही कुछ technical lines में
Technical.
चल रहा है.
It
हाँ.
went beyond.
हाँ, like Wolf
No,
of
but,
Wall Street also.
but like I was saying, why people have Googled scam so much is probably because they have not understood everything, but they want to. So that is
Absolutely.
also all right.
Absolutely.
If you have made them curious,
Right.
like I was saying, like a lot of people, like people keep talking about Christopher Nolan films because it doesn't end, it doesn't explain to you everything. So you go and say, "अच्छा क्या हुआ था?" Well, is my theory right? Have I understood?
No, as
right?
soon
So
as
therefore,
as
there are
soon
so
as
many
you're done with
videos
the
now.
thing, no, you want to jump on Reddit and understood.
Yeah, and
नहीं
discuss
exactly.
it.
I mean, once Nolan's films, I mean, they end, then you start. अच्छा हुआ क्या? Second
Yeah.
time देख लेते एक बार.
So I think Tenet तो उसी marketing
Nolan film हाँ Nolan film तो मतलब वैसे ही.
But see, that is also the advantage of OTT.
Hmm.
That you can keep googling and keep checking out what happened.
Yeah.
हाँ.
And the, Sumit wrote an Instagram story actually because he said that Scam is complicated. That's why people had to keep googling it, and that's why we are the most googled show, second most googled show in the country, and the most googled Indian show. So you keep going at money market क्या है, stock market क्या है, VR क्या है.
हाँ. नहीं, but honestly speaking, when we were watching the show, मतलब I don't know, मतलब honestly, I mean, no lies in this, but within feel like कि अच्छा देख लेते कि क्या है यहाँ पे तो सब बता ही रहे हैं हमें ऐसा
हाँ, मतलब
feel हुआ
इतना
कि
समझ आ गया कि आप
हाँ,
आगे शो देख
हाँ,
सकते हो.
what is
हाँ.
we are
That was our job कि वो मतलब
absolutely we just
नहीं
can go and
वो
check.
money market म्हणजे पैसे की दुकान आगे बढ़ो.
हाँ.
See, but that is what we also took from Margin Call. I mean, we actually watched Margin Call as an exercise because that is one of Hansal's favorite film, and we went back and said, समझ में आए ना आए, as long as we have the characters have emotions, audience will follow the emotions.
right.
I mean, because Wall Street is very easy to understand comparatively, and
Right.
Wolf of Wall Street is not about the stock market, to be very honest.
right.
And Big Short is very difficult to understand. Even I couldn't understand it, to be
Big
honest.
Short
So
is
I
right.
actually मैंने रुक गया और बाकी हो क्या रहा है बे subprime को देखे. But so Big Short is definitely a much more technical film.
It's too much.
And we were actually very happy when we saw the reaction from the people who understand markets. A lot of market people, share market people have watched it, and so we were worried that are we simplifying it too much? Then they might say कि अरे ऐसा तो होता ही
ऐसा
नहीं,
होता ही नहीं है आजकल जो होता है इंडिया में.
Yeah. So, but good thing was both Devashish, Sucheta, and a lot of these market experts, they were very happy with how things were explained. So I think that was the real success. that it
Yeah,
could
absolutely.
achieve
Yeah,
this balance.
another point, just मुझे आप सुमित आप बता रहे थे तो just clicked my mind कि now in this particular situation when current situation when you write something तो constraints बढ़ गए हैं that particular point which Sumit made कि अगर ऐसा लिखूं तो उनको अच्छा लगेगा जिसके बारे में लिख रहे हैं या जिस जो इसमें इस सर्कल में who fits in क्या उनको अच्छा लगेगा this constraint strikes
No, I see that's not how you can write.
that's
Because
what
you're saying कि वो लोगों का कोई end नहीं है.
हाँ exactly that's what my question is
That's a reaction we are saying. Okay, so you always obviously if you are adapting a book, you have to be responsible to the the actual the real author. So you have to be, but you also have to know that you are going to change few things to make it little more, especially if it's a non-fiction, non-linear book. You have to find a narrative in it. But you cannot write thinking कि उसको कैसा लगेगा, इसको कैसा लगेगा, because वो कौन है? When we say audience,
unlimited
कौन है? So you have to be like you have to enjoy the experience of writing it. You have to be honest. And अगर वो आप एक ग्रुप में लिख रहे हैं, वो जो writers room है, वही आपका feedback है, मतलब वही पर आप एक दूसरे के साथ बाउंस कर रहे हैं. Otherwise there's no end to it. So वो reaction interesting है. Like I'm saying, you are always worried कि अच्छा अभी how will the market people will react. So it's always good to have that reaction when they say कि नहीं तो बहुत अच्छा explain किया था. You do not know that while writing. You are just assuming. So you cannot never guess.
What about the political? I mean, did Hansal Mehta give you a kind of scope for, because there were a lot of political elements involved, including some of the characters that were portrayed as ministers and different other things. Like, did you have the liberty to write, or how was it like?
See, there are two things about it. One is, let me just get back and answer what we're discussing abhi. See, regarding when you're writing technicals also, na, एक चीज है कि at times you take liberty to make a dramatic moment work better. Like for example, someone wrote on Twitter, अरे यार इन लोगों ने गलत दिखा दिया है. Stock market तो वैसा था. The ring wasn't like that in 1979. Harshad कैसे ऐसे दिख गया? 1979 में अलग ring था. हाँ, तो बहुत simple सी बात है. We also knew that. ऐसा नहीं कि हमें पता नहीं था. We spent a lot of time to understand that. Point is, you can't show two different rings, because the first ring was a very makeshift ring. If you have to be honest to that, then it will not have the visual interest that actually episode 1 had. A lot of people said, "Oh, that ring looks so awesome." Now you can't have कि Harshad starts in one ring and goes back to another ring physically. So वो come back for the moment ही dramatically work नहीं करेगा. And it's of documentary interest कि दोनों ring अलग थे. So as writers, we know we have to have the same ring to create a certain dramatic moment, which is going to be very emotional for the audiences. That Harshad comes back, oh my God, he's come back to the same place where he started off as a jobber. If he goes back to a different place, उसमें कोई emotion नहीं है. So these are creative liberties writers take to make the dramatic moment work. Second, regarding the politics of it, also we have to be responsible towards what's written in the book. See, क्या होता है बहुत बार non-fiction में ना कि two separate events happen, and then the non-fiction writers don't explain why it happened, because they cannot state that as documentary truth.
Right.
But as fiction writers, audiences will look for a certain logic to it. So you try and bridge the situation, saying by putting in something which is of dramatic interest, possibly ये हुआ था, and that's why you bridge these moments. So we tried our best to bridge these moments on the basis of whatever information is available in the public domain. And at times, when something was not available, we also didn't use it. So it's a mix and match.
Right.
Politically, you can go as far as what is documented. And then probably when it is not documented in that way, you may change some names, etc., to make it, to create the dramatic semblance.
Drama, right.
Yeah, so and this is common across the world.
Across.
हाँ, अगर आपको completely documentary truth का stick करना है, then आपको documentary बनाना पड़ेगा.
बिल्कुल. True.
Because आपको fiction में वो होना बहुत
नहीं होता है वो, हाँ.
You can try and be as honest and as technically correct.
Right.
तो हमारा experience है अभी 70% आपने अगर technically correct कर दिया, 30% अगर आपने liberty ले भी लिया, लोगों को समझ में नहीं आएगा.
Right.
In another discussion, I actually maintain that if your creative liberty does not look like creative liberty to the arm audience, then it is fine. If it looks like creative liberty, तब तो problem हो जाएगा. तब audience को पता चलेगा कि ये नकली बना चल रहा है यहाँ पे. That is the balance you have to maintain overall. कि जिसको पता नहीं वहाँ पे दो अलग रिंग था, उसको नहीं लगेगा दो अलग रिंग था ना, उसमें क्यों होती?
True.
Also, like if I explain the same thing, giving the example is like whether he gave the money to Prime Minister or not. This is debatable,
हाँ हाँ
right?
हाँ
Now, how do you show it on screen?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
Show him
Right.
giving the money when you're
True.
saying he gave the money.
हाँ,
So
true.
because we found like there's another mention in the book that he recorded a tape. Now, what he recorded on the tape, we do not know. But
Okay.
the book says he recorded a tape, and then he went to Jethmalani, and then that press conference happened eventually. So what we did is that if he recorded the tape, he can say anything on the tape. That is his version. Whether that happened or not is not important. So we took a lot of things from what he had said in the press conference. We included it in that tape. So that's the only place where he says, "I've given the money to Prime Minister."
Right.
There's no way to prove it, to disprove it.
Right.
And then you see the actual press conference, and therefore that was intercut with the actual footage to make it look like this is not something writers are making
Absolutely.
up. This actually happened. So you have to find these ways. Like, there's information about the tape. There is information that he claims he gave the money. Now, how do you combine it, make it a little more dramatic, so that talking to the camera became
Absolutely.
a dramatic moment?
Right.
So you have to find these ways.
Acha, whose idea was the great R.K. Lakshman?
See, what happened is when me and Sumit started talking to Sucheta, so she said कि we also kept asking to build the environment और कौन the who we knew there. So
In the
there he
office.
said R.K. Lakshman, तो between me and Sumit ने बोला तो बहुत अच्छा है, we should use him. अभी वहाँ पे we should use him, तो बोला अभी कितने बार use करेंगे. There was a terrific scene with later on with the same brief Karan wrote about Crows and R.K. Lakshman जो कट गया बाद में क्योंकि time change हो गया, मतलब वो दिन का scene रात में बन गया, तो he couldn't be talking about Crows directly. So I mean, but we knew that we have to use R.K. Lakshman thrice. I mean, episode 1, 6 and 8. I think 8 में अभी वो है नहीं, वो 8 वाला scene कट गया eventually. But it was the moment we realized he was there. It is such a great opportunity to have him there.
So also what happened, like earlier what was happening was when Belari comes to the first scene where he comes, he is with the receptionist saying कि मेरे को किसी से मिलना है. He was meeting the receptionist. So
Right.
Ansel said, R.K. Lakshman is already there. Why don't he bumps into R.K. Lakshman? The moment that happens,
Acha.
it becomes the interesting scene. Now we needed a scene in episode 6 where we wanted to slow down things. When she's waiting for that call to get the confirmation. We wanted to slow down. So then Karan wrote that scene, which is now a very
Beautiful.
famous line.
Beautiful.
So I'm saying this is how it happens. Sometimes it's interesting to use it.
Why?
It could have been boring if now I look at it like Belari would have come, you would have met the receptionist. The moment he said R.K. Lakshman,
Impact.
reaction now people have. The
Impact.
moment he said R.K. Lakshman, we realize, they are going to take the real name. So you are in.
Absolutely.
Now I never thought that that's how people will react.
And
that's
especially,
one of the
I mean,
reactions.
it doesn't even take his name. I mean, he just says common man. So
Exactly. He looks like R.K. Lakshman, and you can just figure it out. And another thing, Karan, I don't know, Karan might have written it or not. Ki common woman.
Yeah, that is what I'm talking. Karan wrote
that is Karan's line. Yeah.
Another fantastic line. And Mr. R.K. Lakshman, the late great R.K. Lakshman, says that men to common ही होते हैं. Fantastic.
No, he's like so. Idea was that these two characters which are very interesting, right? Sucheta Dalal and R.K. Lakshman are talking, right? So Sucheta being Sucheta, like she has the feministic trait. Like she was like the first financial journalist of that period of time, right? So she would have asked, why common man and why not common woman? And R.K. Lakshman being R.K. Lakshman would have definitely have given a witty answer to it.
Absolutely.
Which would have been politically correct, and with a smile he could have given his rationale to it.
Yeah, that
so
conversation.
That's how it's come. The women cannot be common. Men are always common and women are always special.
And
nobody else can say that line. Yeah, I'm saying if some other character says that line, that what line? Because R.K. Lakshman thinks it's very important who is saying what.
The way he delivers that, and you know that this is R.K. Lakshman, and you see, अच्छा, फिर उसके बाद क्या होता है कि R.K. Lakshman sir तो ऐसे ही बोलते हैं फिर. So that kind of immersiveness you guys have put in each and every character.
Like it's very important कि कौन सा character कैसे type के dialogues बोल रहा है.
Yeah. See, I had to. There is a series online, and even like Sucheta ma'am also shared it on Twitter. Like he had drew couple of cartoons based on the scam.
Okay.
He himself,
Okay.
like constantly
there was
day
a
after
sequence
the
which
way it was
got
unraveling
edited.
the entire scam.
Okay. Okay.
So I went through his all archives and 92, 93 ka cartoon. So the cartoon was ultimately his voice only, right?
True.
So from there I got that particular idea that okay, because it was also a very responsible thing. I cannot give any random line to R.K. Lakshman, which might dent his image.
Right.
So it was also a very responsible thing to do, and for that, come up with that particular line. It was actually a very simple line, right? It's nothing so special about it, but that special word made it special.
Who decided on the episodes names?
We all decided it together. I think some
Most are Sumit actually. Most are Sumit.
Most of them
In
are
fact, when
Sumit,
Sumit
yeah.
was editing them, he was putting all these names. But I think we got stuck with a couple of them. Eventually, then I think in our writing group, we brainstormed and we gave some names essentially. So
some of them were very
The
easy
catchy
to
hai,
name.
matlab, Dalal Street Ka Raja, Matador.
Yeah, something.
So what happens
those
is-
all the dialogues. It's very easy to name them. You know that risk है तो इश्क है, पैसे की दुकान. This is Cobra Killer. These are very easy because that guy says in the end, so that
So the Cobra Killer Mongoose.
So that from that, so I think it came from the dialogue.
Fantastic.
Also, certain names got changed because certain legal issues. So again, we had to rethink of those names.
But dialogues, I mean, जो अभी जैसे जो प्रतीक गांधी का जो dialogues है, I mean, जो हर्षद मेहता के dialogues है, he was a jobber and सारे jobbers dialogues देते हैं. What I have seen, not only him, like all the jobbers in there, ये और सब लोग अपना ही एक dialogue बाजी चला रहे हैं. But then ऊपर वाले level में कोई ऐसा मतलब एकदम sure ऐसा कुछ dialogue कोई नहीं मारता. तो इसीलिए it was very important कि कौन कैसा dialogue दे रहा है. Like you already mentioned.
What I can decipher now ki it was absolutely, I mean, teamwork.
Yeah.
First thing is teamwork. You guys, probably the reason is you guys gelled so well. It came out so well.
Yeah.
I mean, it came out so well to the audiences, to us. And in fact, I read somewhere ki jo Cobra Killer, I mean, played by Mr. Kaushik, Satish Kaushik.
Yeah.
And the three guys, the three R's, वो actually में थे, the three R's.
No comments, but yeah.
No comments, okay. Kavinda,
I mean, a lot of it,
and the two guys.
A lot of it is there because of our research and there's we put them there.
मंथन वो राजामौली की फिल्म में है.
कौन राजामौली की फिल्म? अच्छा, RRR, okay, I got that.
हाँ, Triple R.
I got that. Triple R.
नहीं, but in this case, obviously Maheshwari है तो R नहीं होगा. But in general, we researched the background of that era and we put characters according to our research.
सीतारामन का नाम सीतारामन ही था कि it was
सीतारामन ही है.
Me and Sajid, we were discussing.
There was a lot of tweets going on, like a Gujarati man with Sitaraman is looting the country. I thought Sitaraman.
No, that is a very funny tweet. I mean, that has actually. I think that is I am Sridhar's tweet. I think that's what
this has gone viral.
It's the best tweet actually.
It's the best.
But that is in public domain. He was called Sitaraman.
But to create the overall environment of the stock in of the markets of that time, you have to take names and change some of them because obviously
true
there are legal issues.
Right. I mean, that's what I was thinking. Ki, ठीक है, I mean, the director is the all in all, actors they deliver, but I guess writers को कितना, I mean, they have to go, I mean, so much. अच्छा, that was my point when I was talking to Sumit कि कितना ध्यान में रखना होता होगा. Obviously, I mean, back of the mind तो होता ही होगा. I think जितना भी you write organically, you write with your spontaneity or you write with your heart. But back of the mind, writers को कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है.
But that is part of the job. You get used to it also. And eventually, what happens is you have to sit with legal before every show comes out, and you have to justify every single point with legal कि ये क्यों है, ये कहाँ है, कहाँ से मिला है, इसको मतलब कैसे आप इसको बोल रहे हो कि ये हुआ है, etc. And then you have to again explain. You have to know कहाँ से आपको क्या मिला है.
It's like fighting a court case.
हाँ हाँ, और बुक में कौन सा पेज में,
like a lawyer with these
yeah, and
Right. We can imagine, हाँ.
Uh,
so you have to
I mean, I
actually show
think
it to them.
But
Yeah,
that
yeah, and
already goes
essentially,
to Saurav, Sumit and Hansal, sir. They did all that.
no, and you have
exercise.
to tell them essentially कि बुक में कौन सा चीज पेज में क्या लिखा हुआ है, just to fight your case through.
Yeah, how it has been dramatized. You have to show them the articles, probably show the court cases, show real references. Then only they will allow it. So
Yeah,
so
yeah.
that,
This is the whole process which goes
now, so
behind
I
it.
think now, like somebody, I was joking with someone that it's easier to even probably it's easier to write non-fiction right now because you can show the reference. Fiction, it's becoming more difficult now.
Right.
Fiction जो भी लोग कोई ना कोई बोलेगा boycott this, boycott that, Twitter में हल्ला
ये
कर
तो
देंगे, print करा
हैशटैग
देंगे.
सोसाइटी, ये तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
मतलब हर दिन एक एक चीज boycott कर रहे हैं लोग. मुझे पता नहीं कितना चीज boycott करेंगे at the end of the year. भूल ही जाते हैं क्या boycott करते हैं.
मैं और सजीव भी जब बातें करते रहते तो कुछ ऐसे if we want to write something about a movie, then अगर सजीव बोलता है कि अच्छा ये ऐसे लिखने से कुछ होगा, मैंने कहा यार हैशटैग सोसाइटी अब तो कुछ
you cannot do
नहीं,
anything.
people also forget. मतलब आज इस ऐप को boycott कर रहे हैं, उस ऐप को boycott कर रहे हैं. पता नहीं क्या यूज भी क्या करते हैं, boycott भी करते हैं. I mean, bunch of jokers on Twitter, to be honest.
नहीं, true, 100% can't agree more.
So yeah, therefore you cannot have that, and you start writing like that. तो फिर तो कुछ नहीं लिख सकते हैं because every sentence will have, you know.
But
you
what
find
is
problem.
now the OTT front coming up like anything? I mean, क्या difference? Do you feel any difference? OTT.
There was a huge difference, but there won't be any huge difference because
The
now
broadcasting
censorship will be there.
ministry has taken the rights.
नहीं, but OTT में there is a huge amount of independence still in terms of writing and the way you can do character development.
Space, length.
Like for example, I mean there are
length,
different theories, length, and you know, for example, in Scam
extensive भी जा सकते हो आप, intensive भी जा सकते हो.
और छोटे characters को आप आग दे सकते हो. You can round them off.
Absolutely. You guys have proved
Like
it
in Scam,
in
apart
this
from one
particular
or
show.
two characters, all characters have a proper beginning, middle, and end. They have their own individual arcs in the story throughout because that is possible.
Time, हाँ.
और ये 550 पेज का जो स्क्रिप्ट है वैसे. मतलब 550 पेज का script is what 5.5 films literally.
We never had a HBO like earlier in 90s. There used to be mini series and 12 part, 10 part. But when the channels came and you know, when the soap operas, those kind of soap started coming, we lost that format. So it became a daily 4-week, 5-week show. So we lost that mini series wala format, which still existed in HBO and it still exists in
even Doordarshan.
America. Yeah, so I'm just some of the best TV work happened on Doordarshan.
Yeah, that was phenomenal. Some of the work is phenomenal.
So we lost that. I think what has OTT has done is that probably we can tell these similar stories now.
It has come back,
It has come back.
Right.
And now what I'm seeing is that now even TV is trying to do that. No, in their
right.
Tell different stories now.
Right.
I think now films are like, you know, the studios are gonna, you know, go all out for the theatrical experience sort of films. And, you know, you're also smaller, independent, you know, realistic films gonna find their place in OTT.
Right.
And even, you know, sometimes some subjects were apt for OTT. They tried to make a film, did not work. But now, you know, now they're gonna get the voice right.
True.
You know, longer narrative is future. Like, beat it like a series or even like a movies. I think I'll give you an example in a movies. You know, I think the entire Marvel universe is a long narrative. Right?
Great example.
Right? They are actually releasing an episode like a film.
Absolutely.
And you know, you have to watch it in a sync to understand those finales. And the finales are like
and it has grown so much over the years.
Yeah. No, so that is happening in India also. Yashraj is trying to build this spy universe now. So
with war.
With war, and now I think Salman Khan is going to do something, Shah Rukh Khan is going to do something, and it's going to be eventually a spy universe.
Oh, Tiger वाला universe तो है ही already ना.
Tiger तो दो
So
franchising franchising.
You know, ticket pricing is. Why would I pay similar like 300-400 rupees for a, you know, a big blockbuster,
right,
and for a small film?
Right.
So probably we'll have to also look at, you know, the pricing and the whole theater structure, multiplex structure in new way.
Yeah, from I think upcoming April, May gonna be very big litmus
Like
test for the
theaters are trying
entire
to also planning to come up with the subscription service.
हाँ SVOD.
Yeah,
हाँ.
I'm saying you subscribe to them, you can go watch any film.
Right.
We'll have to evolve now, especially after Corona, after the lockdown. We'll have to, like, everyone's trying to like a lot of people have problem with what Warner Brothers is doing. They're planning to release their film on HBO Go.
Right.
Same thing, but you have to understand from their point of view.
Right.
If they release it in theater and audience do not turn up, which happened with Tenet,
Absolutely.
there is already a pirated bad print online.
Absolutely.
So if given a choice, I'm not going back to theater. I will rather pay HBO Go and watch that film. And it's not never going to be a permanent thing. But this is the reality right now. That is the only way the studio will survive.
True.
So Nolan can complain and say what they are doing is wrong.
Right.
But Tenet didn't even break even. So that's the reality. Now what is happening is people are watching the pirated print.
Right.
Better give them an option. Whether if you want the theater experience, the film is already there in the theater. It's not. They are not saying they are not going to release in theater.
Exactly.
So that balance has to be achieved, and it's probably in 2022. It's just for the next year.
No, they all have a problems. Actually, they all have a problems with their back-end bonuses because they would get those back-end bonuses from the theatrical revenue. So that's why they are actually protesting about it.
On OTT, it can never do a business which it can do in theater. So for them also, they also want a theatrical release. But if audience do not want to go back to theaters right now, at least give them a choice rather than they will watch it. Otherwise, people will watch a pirated bad print.
Zillions of people have seen Tenet not in theater, but like even before its release in India, people have seen it. So
and people who wanted to, they went to theater. So if you are really passionate about it, you have the option now.
True.
So if you want to save the cinema, you go watch it in theater. But if I want to save my
and plus the Telegram and all that, I don't know. I mean, piracy is on a different level right now. So I mean, people have to understand. How you ever monetize your product.
Yeah, people are ready to pay for a good service. I think most of us, all of us have look at the Sony Live. People have paid Sony Live to watch Scam. No? It's not like
absolutely.
So if there is like a good content, people will pay for
it. Will pay for it. Yeah, true.
Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna watch this HBO Max films in India. It's not out yet.
I'm sure they will.
They will work out something. We hope that they will work out something.
No, but actually, anyways, coming to theater. It's not like it's a HBO. They're saying we are going to release it for 1 month on HBO Go, and it is going to play in theater.
Then subsequently,
it's not like it's not coming to India. It's in theater. You want to go, you watch it in theater. But because they know audience are not ready to come back to theater till vaccine is there, you have to give that option.
Right. Saurav, I believe you were part of an Assamese film called Bokul.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. I was the creative producer for it.
Oh, great. I mean, that was also a very fine film. We have watched that.
Oh, yeah. Rima made it, and that is, I was actually, that is what I was busy in 2014, 15, literally. So, I mean, see, it's all different universes. We made that film with an absolutely almost, 18 days shoot. Literally, it's literally a zero budget film, which, I mean, the money was, I mean, collected through crowdfunding. It was like 18 days mein shoot ho sakta hai, uske alawa shoot nahi ho sakta hai, all non-actors. So which is completely polar opposite to the way the other films have been shot. But that's again a great experience. And we were just focusing on the script and the actors and people. And I think Urmila, if you see her, I'm from FTI, Urmila, she is such a terrific actress. I mean, we need to see more actors like that on OTT also, for example.
But and I guess OTT is giving that platform to these actors. Actually, we feel that.
Yeah, but again, I'm trying to put Bokul on OTT. It's very difficult. Again, see, the OTT game has again become very different.
I saw it in.
You might have seen it, but to put that in an organized way,
right,
it's too difficult.
Right.
Like it is not on SVOD, it's on TVOD only. And again, selling a film like that is again a huge difficult thing because again people are saying OTT mein to abhi stars mil rahe hain.
Right.
So that struggle is still on.
Right. Karan has also directed a movie, I guess.
No, I haven't directed. I just have directed a short film, which was
Short
my
film.
film, which was my film school thesis.
Okay,
And
okay.
I think it's available on Shorts.hd. It's like a
Sultan, I
pay per
guess,
view.
Sultan.
Yeah. It's on a pay per view. I think you only get it on Tata Sky.
Okay,
Sometime.
okay.
Yeah, it's there available on that particular thing. I made it in 2011.
Hmm.
It has interesting subject, but yeah, one of the again like sort of zero budget sort of a short
Hmm,
film,
hmm.
that sort of a thing. And yeah, I have been I was a second unit and associate on Wrong Side Raju, so I have done some of the second unit thing.
Also made in China, right?
Yeah, I was also second unit in Made in China as well.
Hmm.
So and
Also, that
associate.
beautiful film Ventilator. That was also very heartwarming.
Yeah. So I was so yeah, writing I'm doing it since I'm back from film school. Like literally, I was lucky enough to get my first project within like 2-3 months as a screenwriter, and that's how the journey has been very interesting. And now the scam is definitely
Now
gonna be
he's the in-demand dialogue writer.
Last week, I was speaking to a cousin. She's still in Australia. She told me कि scam देखा तुम लोगों ने? मैंने कहा scam देख भी लिया और review भी डाल दिया हम लोगों ने. आपने देखा नहीं? तो यार क्या टेरिफिक शो बनाया है यार. इंडिया से मतलब ऐसे टेरिफिक शोज मुझे एक्सपेक्टेड ही नहीं था. मैंने कहा क्या बात कर रहे हो यार. इंडिया से बहुत अच्छे. बट हाँ, this show was almost immaculate.
This is great, actually. Honestly,
This was immaculate.
So we were the IMDb most popular shows of the week. We were thrice in the top 10.
अभी भी टॉप में हो आप लोग?
अभी 34 में है right now, which is not bad. We're on the 9th week. नहीं वो अलग दो अलग चीज है. एक होता है कि the 250 top rated shows in the world. वो हम 17 में अभी हैं और रहेंगे for some time because we are still at 9.5.
Yeah.
So we are in the top 20. वो तो अलग है. वो 250 top rated shows of the world ever है.
Right.
Went up till 14 वहाँ पे. Rick and Morty के एक level नीचे थे. ठीक है, Rick and Morty क्रॉस नहीं कर पाए थे वहाँ पे. But generally जो the top shows of the world current जो होता है उसमें we were in the highest position was 5, then we were at 8, we were at 9. नहीं 5, 6 and 8 में थे. अभी हम 34 में हैं.
हाँ, वो we were seeing your stories वहाँ पे दिख रहा था ना. So
correct. वो अभी 9th week में we are on 34, which is not bad at all.
But I guess Indian show Hindi language highest rated है.
Yeah.
See क्या है अभी 9.5 तो highest तो है ही. And right now I think most voted भी हो जाएंगे. अभी हम 72,500 votes में हैं. वो Sacred Games 73.5 में है. तो अभी वो क्रॉस कर जाएंगे 2-3 दिन में. तो वो तो हो ही जाएंगे. That's not a big deal. But I'll tell you another thing also. अभी I met a producer that day. We said we'll make a better show than Scam. मैंने बोला ना Scam ना बहुत luckily बहुत चीजों को hit कर गया एक साथ. There are 18 unique things about Scam which came together. So I have my own personal geekery में करता हूँ कि क्या reason से Scam बन गया ऐसा. So वो मैंने बोला कि आपके शो में अभी 6 वो चीज है. मतलब 18 में तो 18 में पहुंचना मुश्किल है. As 19 तक पहुंच जाए. तो ये there are certain reasons why Scam became what it is. So it's not that.
I want to know about this show.
वो बता दूंगा 18 क्या है. तुम एक हो obviously. Current Affairs is one of the 18 reasons.
अच्छा जो OST है
that is another one of the 18 reasons. वो हर बार ऐसा नहीं होगा कि
that was I think because from the teaser that was the number one reason.
नहीं मैं और सजीव मतलब we were itching to ask you कि जो OST है उसके लिरिक्स किसने लिखे. लिरिक्स मतलब एक ही लाइन है जो हमें लगता है कि ऐसे मतलब क्या बोलते हैं उसमें.
वो जय को पता है. सिर्फ जय को पता है और जय और अचिंत को पता है. कुछ सीक्रेट दोनों के बीच में.
अच्छा तो मतलब
इंटरव्यू जय and अचिंत टुगेदर फॉर दिस. उसके
तो मीम्स भी निकले हैं. then वायरल
हजार.
हाँ तो इनिशियली.
But again you have to give Sumit credit for putting the Matkar Maya song at the end. वो तो
that was
absolute master stroke है from Sumit's part.
Another I mean goosebump moment.
Yeah, that was
goosebumps moment.
और डाल दिया for his own reasons.
I could have never thought of that song while writing that okay, this kind of a
हाँ
song will
इतना
be there.
exquisite था वो.
So that also, see, this is what I see. Sometimes things start falling in place. We had used
Right.
another song, the third episode. There's a Kabir Cafe song,
हाँ
which they recreated for us. We were using some another song. There were no rights, so they recreated another song for us.
Okay.
So I had then because I was listening to कि ऐसा वो song का rights available नहीं तो which we can put in third. So I ended up listening to all their songs. Now when I was editing episode 10, what happens is usually I do not want, whenever I'm sending the edit, I want to put some kind of music so that it doesn't look like it's jerky, and you want to count because the sound is not mixed. You want to put something, some kind of sound. So that okay, ये song अच्छा लग रहा है. Let's the lyrics also kind of sums up what we are trying to say. And then Hansal liked it. Let's we already have Kabir Cafe on board.
Just loved
Let's
it.
ask them to give the rights for this song also.
And the flow was so seamless, smooth.
Yeah.
कि मतलब और
It doesn't have this like a lot of people so I keep telling a lot of people say कि अच्छा तो आपने हर्षद को हीरो बना दिया ये कर दिया. I said just listen to that song if you think we have made Harshad hero. What is that song?
That is one of the USPs of the show. In fact, कि you have not shown him as a hero, neither as a hero nor as a villain.
Right.
That is another 18. I think 18 में होना चाहिए वैसे सौरभ के.
नहीं वो तो 18 में वो छोटा पार्ट है. It's like 1/4. See that is how we write any which way. Like there is this great objectivity we have when we write. वो अपना organic चीज है. So I think
Right.
whatever we write in future also it will have that objectivity hopefully.
Right.
Because we try to empathize with characters, get very close to them and see how they would have been. I mean, if I was Harshad, what would I have done? Would have done. तो एक strain of thought रहता है.
True.
But I think a lot of other films also do that. मतलब I don't see it as an achievement. I think हर film ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. मतलब अगर आपके पास ऐसे character है, you should be look at him objectively only and humanize him and then see how you can strike a balance. I think वो एक basic होना चाहिए script writing का. Rather than see, I was trying to tell someone कि देखो हम लोग को Robin Hood नहीं बनाया. हमारा ऐसा कोई सीन नहीं है कि पैसा लेके he's giving it to the poor. अपना गाड़ी खरीद रहा है, मस्ती कर रहा है अपना.
Right.
So we didn't want to also push it and create a narrative that he's very good for poor people. He's just doing everything for himself only. And that is how again उसका जो teetotaler जो चीज था, that's how we knew the character. I mean that's what have been told to us by people who were close to them. We just try to be honest to the whole thing. और कुछ नहीं, हमने कोई addition नहीं किया वहाँ पे. और जैसे he was using the system, we've just put it back. So there is nothing great we've done. I mean, it's a normal way of looking at a character, and I expect most films to be like this only. I mean, that's how we look at filmmaking.
Firstly, thank you for the show, and secondly, thanks for coming and talking to us.
It means a lot to us. Actually, I mean, it means a lot to us.
I think
it's been a pleasure as well, and
we are also doing live after a long time. Long time means like after 1 or 2 weeks, right?
Together तो हमारा long time है. I mean, otherwise the Karan was doing one every day.
No.
Karan is in demand.
No, not at all. That's a scam.
No, he's doing live with the producers.
Acha.
See, within our team, we know if any one of us can be Harshad Mehta, that will be Karan Vyas.
Oh my God. अच्छा ठीक है. ये edit करे या ना करे?
नहीं, you can keep it.
अच्छा ठीक है.
The miniature Harshad Mehta is the only he knows.
बस सिर्फ मुझे ही बाकी है, बस अभी मुझे बाकी है. और एक Lexus, फिर पूरा Harshad Mehta.
Lexus तो आ जाएगा next year आ जाएगा.
Lexus आ जाएगा.
next साल करने के बाद.
God willing आ जाएगा.
वो वाला Lexus मत लेना. बस वो वाला Lexus मत लेना. जो
literally
स्टिक लगाकर उसका बोनट खोलना पड़ता था.
Because literally half of Bollywood has called Karan and said हमारा film लिख दो भाई, हमारा dialogue लिख दो. वो तो हमें पता है.
Fantastic.
ये partial truth है सिर्फ.
partial.
ये मैं राइटिंग ग्रुप पे सारे चैट रिवील कर दूंगा.
Partial.
न्यूज़ चैनल से हमारे चैट पढ़ने लगेंगे. देखो करण व्यास ने ये बोला वो बोला.
तुम्हारा व्हाट्सएप का मैसेज ऑलरेडी पढ़ लिया होगा किसी ने न्यूज़ चैनल में.
हाँ वो तो होगा ही पक्का.
हाँ किसी ने तो पढ़ ही लिया होगा. अभी व्हाट्सएप कहाँ सेफ है.
नहीं, unfortunately, we missed out
फ्लैश
on.
आएगा
We
9
missed out
बजे
on
9
your,
बजे का प्राइम टाइम में फ्लैश आएगा.
we
Karan,
missed
yeah.
out on your fourth friend, but never mind. I mean, thank you so much again.
Yeah.
Congratulations on the success and congratulations on your craft work. And we sincerely hope that we get. I mean, jokes apart, we get more and more work from you all. To see more work from you all. And
नेक्स्ट टाइम क्वेश्चन होगा कि स्कैम के बाद ये क्या हो गया. ये नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन होगा कि हाउ कुड यू.
ऐसा नहीं होगा.
Open.
Yeah. God will.
Maybe all 4 people need to work together again, because right now
That is the. Yeah.
I think that is the core for a success. Let's see. क्योंकि हम तो बहुत कुछ डाइवर्स कर रहे हैं.
आजकल वैसे एंथोलॉजीज बहुत चल रहे हैं. आप चारों एंथोलॉजी बना दो ना, एक स्टोरी.
हाँ, yeah.
नहीं आइडिया तो अच्छा है. आइडिया
मैंने ऑलरेडी कर ली.
वो तो ऑलरेडी बना दी.
कौन?
already
अच्छा,
working on anthology.
नहीं मतलब मैं आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट यू फोर.
ओके ना कर सकते
और
हैं.
इसका कारण है some time, then probably that will
मजा आएगा.
happen.
नहीं, अभी ऐसा हो गया कि राइटिंग बजट जो होता है करण को डालने के बाद किसी के पास रहता ही नहीं है पैसा देने का किसी को. बोलते हमने करंट व्यास को दे दिया, अब सॉरी आप लोग डिस्काउंट में काम करो. अभी ऐसा हो गया. तो ऑल ऑफ अस कमिंग टुगेदर बहुत मुश्किल है.
नहीं, we hope that at some point of time you guys again work together and create
अब
magic.
मुगल आजम बनेगा पक्का अगर वो होगा तो.
अरे मतलब इंशाल्लाह.
उर्दू में लिखूंगा.
नहीं,
गुजराती उर्दू अच्छा गुजराती मुहावरे.
गुजराती उर्दू है. नहीं, fantastic. I mean, it was great fun. It was absolutely fantastic to have you guys with us. Thank you again. I mean, means a lot to us. And yeah, Sajib.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And actually,
Thank you, Manthan. Thank you, Sajib,
Thank
for
you.
Tolerating us for such a long period.
नहीं, tolerating us मतलब
great chat and great fun.
great fun.
Okay.
Okay, bye. It was great
Thank you
talking
so
to
much. Take care.
Thank you.
Stay
Bye,
safe.
bye, Manthan. Bye.
Thank you, Sumit. Thank you, Saurav.
Bye.
Thank you, Karan. Stay safe.
Thank you.
Okay, bye. See you ahead.
Bye.
Thank you so much for watching the podcast with us. We really hope
you,
that
guys.
you enjoyed the podcast. And yeah, as we already
Fun.
have mentioned it several times, Scam 1992 was one of the amazing series that came out this year, and we liked it a lot.
In fact,
yeah.
I think one of the best shows to come out of India.
Right.
Yeah,
And we liked it a lot, and we had great fun talking to the writers of Scam 1992.
absolutely.
We really hope that you also enjoyed it as much as we did. And yes, thanks a lot.
Thank you so
and,
much, people.
If you like this video, please don't forget to like and share it with your friends and your family. And also, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much.
Yeah, and also do follow us on Instagram, Screen to Script page. And yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Take care. Stay safe. Have a great day. Good night. Bye bye.